Just wow. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're up in the northwest of Scotland, going camping for a couple of days. Don't really know where yet, but as you can see behind me, Aluinn Castle. We're going to go up to the UK's highest waterfall. I can't even pronounce it, but hope to head up there, maybe camp there, who knows, maybe get a bothy and we'll see. Join me. Right guys, been travelling for hours way up in the northwest of Scotland, and I've came to Loch Glencool. Going to stay up at the bothy tonight. Don't even ask me how I got here, but it was an ordeal, but I'm here, so I'm going to enjoy it. That's the view I've got. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go up to Chual Aluinn. I think that's right, it's the name of the highest waterfall in the UK, so I'm going to go up to the bothy. There's actually somebody in the bothy just now, guy called Julian, but he seems okay, so I'm going to go up there, chill out, relax, maybe do a bit of exploring. I'll bring you back. That's the bothy over there guys. I don't know what this is up here, but yeah, I'm going to do a wee explore. Respect. Just wow. Right, back to the bothy. They warm up, get something to eat on the go. Right guys, this is Glencool Bothy. Just at the top end of Loch Glencool. Visitors book there. Nice wee fireplace, hopefully get a fire when we go tonight. Some washing lines. Selection of books. A few chairs, just the usual bothy stuff. So hopefully we're going to get out when we go tonight, get a fire going. I'll show you in the sleeping area. Right guys, this is the sleeping area. Platform. It's enough for about 6 people, little hanging line, so yep. Hey guys, while Julian's out, I'll give you a sneak peek of the bothy. The fire's just about out, so we're about to go to sleep. Got my trousers hanging up there. So it's pretty wet today. And yeah, good night. A few lagers, some whiskey, and off to the waterfalls tomorrow. Yeah. First experience of a bothy, and it was really good. Coming in here, obviously I was expecting to get a bothy myself, but met a guy Julian, when he seems brand new. Bit awkward at first, but after a few whiskies and a few drams, a bit of music, yeah, brilliant night. So if anybody's thinking about trying a bothy, I definitely recommend it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna, he went to bed about 10 minutes ago, just gonna creep in. It's the one sort of bedroom sleeping compartment we're both sleeping in, so I'm going to creep in there now. Hopefully no wake him up with my snoring, and And yeah, going to explore the waterfalls tomorrow, so yeah, bring it on. Right, good night guys. Morning guys, I was a good sleep in the bothy last night. Did help with a few drams and a wee bit of company, Julian, the hiker. So yeah, definitely enjoyed it. I was a bit apprehensive with bothies, but with people been in them and stuff, but yeah, it was a good night. So today it's off to the waterfalls. Just had a walk up the hill, had a look. I think it might be about a 4-hour return journey or something. I think it's 3 miles, but it's quite boggy and up and down hills, so yeah, looking forward to that. Sort of trying to get the motivation to do it, but I've not came all this way to the top of Scotland not to do it, so yeah. This bothy's beautiful, I could actually just stay here for a few days. I'll give you a wee pan round and show you my view. 3 hours into the walk, tired, wet, but look at that, that's worth it. That's the UK's highest waterfall. I believe it's 680 odd feet. We're about 15 minutes away from it, so I'll bring you back when I get there. Three and a half hours, guys. 3.5 hours to get here from Glencoe Bothy. And several hours from the Bothy to my car. And a long drive from Glasgow. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. The time's getting on now, so I'm going to fill up my water bottle, get back here, but that's definitely one ticked off my bucket list. I'm going to even try and pronounce it. It's Chual Aluinn, the highest waterfall in Scotland. I said I believe it's about 680 feet, but yeah, it's tricky getting here. It's about 1.5 miles from the Bothy, through very boggy, lots of burns underneath you. Had to take the high ground and then come back down again, and then there's like a semi-path taking you here. I think in all it's about 4 miles, but it's quite rough terrain. You have to watch where you go. There's lots of holes. Yeah, sorry, my hair's all sticking up, but yeah, brilliant, love it. Now, 3.5 hour hike back to the Bothy, 3 hours back to the car, and then we need to find somewhere else to wild camp tonight. I wish I had a tent with me. I just set the tent up here. Right guys, hope you like it. The highest waterfall in the UK. Shortly after this footage was taken, the battery in my mobile phone died. Also because I was that tired with the hike, I thought I'd lost my charging cable, but later found it, and that's where the footage resumes. Good morning guys, from the roadside, 10 miles away from Ullapool. Yesterday was brilliant getting to the waterfalls. As I said, it took me about 3.5 hours, absolutely knackered. Found a shorter way on the way back to the bothy, which took about 2 hours. But then basically things started going wrong. It was another 3 hours back to the car. I fell in several ditches, into several little streams. I was soaking wet, sore ankle, tired. Basically the time I was back to the car was about 9:30 at night, so the plans for going to the bone caves or anywhere else went out the window. I think I reached Ullapool just past 10, so couldn't get any supplies from any shops, and then it was just a rush to try and get this set up before it got totally dark. I set this up, basically it was almost dark, just pulled into the side of the road, bit noisy, but yeah, threw up the tent. Don't even think I put all the stakes in properly. Yeah, very noisy with the cars going by, so I was just putting the tent away there, and guess what I found? I found my charging wire, so charged my phone up a little bit in the car, and yeah, I'll bring you the footage. So this will probably be the end of the journey. It was brilliant eventually getting to the waterfalls, and it should have been some more footage last night, me getting a campfire and wild camping somewhere, but it is what it is. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you don't mind, give me a wee like and subscribe. Yeah, been a crazy trip, but loved it. Thanks guys.